I mean, hi.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. How are you? Wait na.
I'm great. I'm fine.
You're doing great. Oh, let us have this one. Okay, let us talk me about travel English. Okay, so this is hard for you. So let us please hear the travel English lesson. Very easy. Easy and convenient for you. Wait me ha. Wait me ha. What happened? I cannot open this one.
Ro-
Wait me ha. What happened? Wait sa ngay. Okay. Okay, so this one. Okay. Please let's talk. This is a very nice activity. Okay. Let us talk here about in the sky. Okay. So here, as you can see in the pictures we have in the sky, what do you think you will gonna see, or what do you think you were gonna look at or check in this activity? What do you think
Hmm.
in the sky? Okay, if you will talk about in the sky, what do you think you
Talk
are
about,
gonna?
I think we talk about the activities in the sky um or say the sky. I think just activities that we do in the sky.
Hey, now look at what fun activity might people be able to do in the sky? Okay, so this one. Can you tell me one activity that you might be able to do in the sky?
Hmm. I don't know. Uh, Skydiving? No.
Okay, what else? What do you think?
I think skydiving.
Skydiving. Yeah, this one. It could be skydiving. Okay. So this one, you read the dialogue with your teacher. Okay. So I am Percy and you are Annabeth. Okay. Ready? Now, Percy, did you ever want skydiving? Did you ever want skydiving? Okay. Annabeth. Okay.
What?
Okay. You read. Okay. I am Percy and you are Annabeth. Okay. First,
Okay.
did you ever want to try skydiving?
Of course, I think everyone wants to, but it's too scary for me.
Okay. Well, did you know that you can skydive with an instructor? Maybe that will be less scary for you since you are with a professional.
I guess so, but how do we really know if it's safe?
The instructor always checks the equipment, so you don't have to worry.
I don't know, I'm still a little scared.
Well, maybe we should try something else like hand gliding.
Isn't that way more dangerous than skydiving?
Not really. It has become much safer over the years, and we shouldn't try it. I'm sure it will be an exciting experience. Okay, so what do you think they're talking about?
Mhm. They are talking about Percy talked to Annabeth like, do you ever want to try skydiving? And but Annabeth said she likes it, but she always but
Scared.
she is too scary for Annabeth.
Okay. Yes, of course. Okay. So this one, so they're talking about skydiving, and then Annabeth said she really wants it. However, she felt a little bit scary for what might happen. Okay. So, what other activity that Percy suggests aside from diving? What other activity that, yeah, it is?
Hand gliding.
Okay, hand gliding. And do you think Annabeth accept the idea of hand gliding?
She said, um, hang gliding is more dangerous than more dangerous than skydiving.
Okay, it's more dangerous than skydiving. Okay. Okay, so we have here. So we have here, I have to ask you some questions. What activity did Percy want to try? Based on the picture. Okay, you read first, huh? I mean, you read it back, silent, and then after a while, you tell me, teacher, I'm done. So we can answer. You don't need to write. All you have to do is just answer teacher N's questions. Okay? Okay, wait me, huh? Just a minute, wait me. Okay, you read first. Okay? You done? Okay, so let us answer this one. What activity did Percy want to try? What activity did Percy want to try? It is?
Percy wants to try skydiving.
Yeah, skydiving. Very good. How can you invite someone to try activity like skydiving? Example, you are gonna
Um,
want skydiving, but how can you invite someone to try skydiving?
we can say, would you like to try skydiving?
Yeah.
Do you want to try Do you want to try skydiving, or did you ever try skydiving?
Okay. So, Ina, have you tried having skydiving? Or how would you invite, again, how would you invite someone?
Mm, would you like to try skydiving?
Okay. So, what should you ask if you want to check if an activity is safe?
Mm, I think, is it safe to try that activity?
Okay. Have you tried the activity? Okay. Again, what should you ask if you want to check if an activity is safe? Or how will you do that to the instructor? With me, Niha, with me. Okay. So, what activity did Percy want to try? Okay, that one, huh? What should you ask if you want someone, if you want to check if the activity is safe? So you will gonna say, okay, how's the activity? Is it safe? So you will gonna ask, right? That's very common because, of course, you will not let or allow someone to have the activity if you think it is not safe. Okay, now this one. So we have here fill in the blank with the correct letters to complete the sentence. Example, there are a lot of people who want to try skydiving, right? Okay. So when doing dangerous activity, you must always do them with a, what do you think? Do you have any idea with this?
No.
Hard. Before you do any dangerous activity, always double check your this
Equipment.
equipment. Very good. Trust your blank, and he or she teaches you how to protect yourself. Whom you are going to trust? You are gonna trust who?
Instructor.
Instructor. Okay. Next. Okay. So this one. Please try to write the letter of your choice. Ha. Eating. Ting. Saan ka gani? Ano? Ano na no? Luag. Batay pa tanaw. Pwede ba basig? Pwede ba? Answer ka. Nahando ko na kang movie house, Jess. Nagahando ko na kang movie house. Oo. Ano ba? Movie house, movie house. Movie house, diba? Tingnan, movie house. Oh.
I finish.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Do you want to type just by letter C? Very good. Two. Don't worry, you don't have to do it. And you'll be having a structure. Correct. Look at this me. This is ano yung jelly? Jelly. It's called jelly. I wait ha. I will show
What's that?
you. Like this. It's a drink, but it's yummy. Mm. Wala ni mo. Homo. Homo ka. There. Of course, it's safe. Then, sakto man, it's not safe. Of course, it's safe. Instructors always check the equipment before people skydive. Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay. 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 This one. Ah. Ah. Okay, so this one, so you're gonna have conversation with me. Let us talk about other activities you can do in the sky. Okay, eating only. I know you were not able to experience yet, but you have to think what other activity that you can do in the sky. Okay, you think first. And after this one, you share a teacher. Teacher is eating now. I'm having this. Uh, um,
What's that?
it's like chicharon, like here. Mm. I will send you that picture of Jillian later. Julian is wearing glasses already.
Oh,
Later, I will send. Mm. Okay, go na. Okay, you tell me if you're done, ha? Guys, ako dahil. Inom na. Pag yun na pag-inom, how did you drink? Oh, I just brush the jelly with my tongue. Brush mo? From taas. Ayan.
Teacher, I done.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you tell me.
Starts a conversation.
Mm-mm-mm.
Okay. Um, would you like to try skydiving?
Okay, yeah. I know, aside from skydiving, you can have another likes or another activity that you want. Okay, just for example, you search in the Google what activity that you like aside from skydiving and you tell me why you like it. Yeah, go. Eh, padala dito sa share ko na dito for what forgot yan. Share naman na sa'yo. Naisumpay. Ha? Share na ko naisumpay. Share. Sure. Napasay gusto isumpay sa shirt niyo. Ay, gusto isumpay sa shirt. Oh. Wala akong ano naman yung ipon. Ano ba po lagi ang papilin? Ito, printed na. Ah, lagi na. Kuan? Na name? Ah, yung number na. Na number? Na number ba? Yung ang asa ka lang. 50. Mupalit gani kung dagat ka para imo ha. Ganan ka dali? Hmm? Kanipunan. Jawa ka lang tayo. Jawa ka lang. Yes, ma.
Interest. Okay, I'm finished.
Okay, you have already?
Yeah.
Okay, what should you say when you're afraid to do skydiving? Okay, this is not one. Okay, you tell me. You tell me
Skydiving.
another activity. Yeah, another
I
activity.
think it's interesting and
Mm-hmm.
brings a
Again, again,
sense.
again. Again, come again. What is it?
It's interesting and brings a sense to of adventure to players, and I think it's safe. When we wear when we wear equipment and have an instructor.
Mm, okay, when
Yeah.
you have instructor and you have equipment. Okay. Do you find it nice?
I think yeah. So I think so.
Okay. So here, let's move to the next. Okay, I have another Okay, let us at the beach. Okay. What can you imagine me when someone is telling to you we're going to the beach? What is beach like for you?
Mm, I think
Right? How do you find beach?
I think I think which is mm, I think it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, it's
I have
beautiful.
a wonderful view and and in the summer people can go to the beach to go swimming or goes like mm, or they can have a holiday or the camp near near the beach. Yeah. mm, I think too.
Okay, so here, what activity might you do at the beach? What
uh,
activity might you do at the
I
beach?
think I will do sandcastle and swim.
Okay, you're gonna have sandcastle. Okay, of course, sandcastle. Okay, now, yeah, so you have here. You read the dialogue and let us check the answer. I am Staff and you are Timmy, and you're going to talk about beach. Okay, so I am Staff and you are Timmy. Okay, ready? Okay, I am Staff. Ha. Welcome. What kind of activity would you like to try today?
I'd love to try surfing, but I don't know how to do it.
No worries. Our coach will show you some basic technique. Do you have our surfboard?
Mm, no. Where can I rent a surfboard from?
You can rent one here for $50 per hour, or you can buy one here too. Would you like to rent one or buy one?
I'll rent one for 2 hours. Here is $100. By the way, do you know where I can hire a sunshade for my girlfriend?
You can rent them from the shop opposite. Here is your surfboard. Okay, so what do you think they're talking about?
They are talking about
Yes. I-andam niya.
activity
Mm,
uh,
activity. At
activity of at the beach.
okay, they're talking activity about the beach. Okay, now. So here, now, okay, you read it again. Then after a while, you tell me if you're done, ha? So we can move to the questions. This is,
Mhm.
again, we are talking about beach. Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay. So what will Timmy do today at the beach? What do you think will Timmy do at the
He
beach
goes
today?
surfing.
Okay, he goes surfing. What can you ask to know and what else you can do at the beach?
Mm, what else activity we can do at the beach?
Okay, what activity you can do at the beach? Like
Mm, like badminton, volleyball,
badminton, volleyball.
yeah,
Okay, very good. Okay, what else? Beach volleyball. We can have beach
swimming,
volleyball. Huh?
swimming, swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Now,
We'll go surfing.
surfing. Yes, very good. Now, who might you ask if you didn't have the right equipment? Example, you are gonna have surfing. Who might you ask when you didn't have
Uh,
proper surfing?
staff, the staff.
The,
Yeah.
the again?
The staff.
Okay, the staff. Okay, what will be the first thing that you will gonna ask to the staff?
Uh, I don't know.
Or what you will gonna say to the staff?
Uh, I could say, excuse me, can I blah blah blah, maybe.
Okay, so maybe like that. Excuse me, can you help me with this equipment or like that? Oh, that's probably the good thing that you are gonna say. Okay, so me, okay, please join the Zoom again for 10 minutes, okay? Because the Zoom will start now, okay? Please join me. Will
Teacher,
yes.
at at 8 o'clock, I go to extra class.
Ah, okay, you have extra class? Okay,
Yeah.
right now, 5 minutes only, okay? Or you
Okay.
want to end up? You want to end up?
No, it's up to you. Before
Okay,
8
okay, five
p.m.
minutes.